One thing I love about crypto is how it is changing technology. It's changing how we're doing things, and we can see that in projects like this one called Fleamint. But before we start looking into this white paper, I want to tell you some things about this project that are really exciting. So here are some notes I got that I want to talk about regarding this project. For one, it has a doxed founder who ran a verified $1 billion crypto project. They're going to be bringing real world assets to crypto, and then they're going to tokenize the assets. They're the first movers in bringing Web 2.0 to Web 3.0, and get this here. They have over $1 billion already in signed contracts to bring real world assets over. So they're still in the building stage of what I'm just about ready to show you with this project, and they already have over $1 billion in signed contracts for it. This is not the little leagues. This is not your typical mining type project or gaming or metaverse project that you normally see me doing videos on. It says here that they duplicate your real world assets in the metaverse so they can pay holders in crypto. The seed round NFTs are going to be at 90 cents, and I'm going to show you how you can pick these up today, and you only have until January 31st, and then that price goes up by 50% to $1.35. And so when you buy these NFTs, you're going to get them discounted before the 31st, and they're going to airdrop you their tokens. But you do need to buy in before January 31st for the seed round. They're based in Singapore. And what they have is a mega app, also known as a super app, where basically you can do all kinds of stuff. They're going to have a DEX, a metaverse. All new projects will trade on Fleamint DEX, and paired with Fleamint token like a layer 1. We're going to be looking at this app and the type of things they're going to have included with it. Massive long-term potential, as Fleamint gets a percent of all new projects it brings to the market. Now, you think about that, and then you think about where they already have over $1 billion in signed contracts, and they haven't even launched it yet. And this is not a short-term or a degen play. So let's jump over and look more into what Fleamint really is. So here it says, what is Fleamint? It says Fleamint aims to become the one-stop shop for all things Web 3.0 for brands and consumers. We envisage being able to do this by becoming the first truly global decentralized super app. So what is a super app? Well, you may have started seeing some of these because there's a few of them already out there. Let me go ahead and go to the next part of this. It says a super app is a mobile application that provides a variety of seemingly unrelated services via a single interface. Rather than having multiple apps for different services, a super app aims to provide users with access to multiple services in a single location. For example, in one app, users can chat, shop, order rides, apply for a bank loan, and do a variety of other things. Super apps are convenient, and they save users the storage that otherwise have to use for individual apps. Now, to give you just a quick example of this, it says here that Tencent, the massive Chinese tech conglomerate, transformed its WeChat app into a super app. What began as a messaging app morphed into an ecosystem of services including taxi rides, virtual wallets, hotel reservations, medical consultations, and more. Other examples, Alipay, Grab, and Gojek. So here we're looking at a new first of its kind app for crypto, a super app that puts all these different types of services together in one app where you can manage them instead of going in and out of multiple different apps, risking different security for different apps, risking different privacy for different apps, and you have everything here in one place. Now, why do they do that for? Well, it says here, this is precisely what is driving large corporations to design all-in-one apps. The opportunity to build a bigger consumer base and subsequently allow them a larger slice of potential user wallets.